So my name is Richard Collins. I'm the Canonical Product Manager for Ubuntu for Android. We're here at MWC where we're demonstrating our latest solution, which is a smartphone solution for high-end Android phones, whereby by docking the station via an HDMI cable to a typical desktop display, we've enabled this particular hardware prototype to boot the full-blown Ubuntu operating system, which is now running concurrently with the Android phone system. So given that we have two operating systems running at the same time, it means that it's an ideal solution potentially for high-end mobile enterprise workers who would be using the smartphone in order to be using the smartphone Android system for standard normal use of a mobile phone, but when docked to a desktop display, they're able to run the full desktop solution based on the latest Ubuntu release.
Could you show us the Android portion of it, and maybe the dialer, some of the contacts?
Okay, so this is a standard feature within the Ubuntu UI. If I just go into the people lens, you can see that you've got a display providing the full range of contacts. These contacts are reading directly to the file system used by the Android application, so there's no synchronization taking place. So I can search for contacts, and I can change and edit those contacts, and any changes I make are saved directly to the Android address book. If we go into the application lens, we can see that we've got access to the full range of Ubuntu applications that are available as part of the normal desktop solution. Just to say again, this is a native OS running on the Linux system, which is in the smartphone. Because obviously Android is a Linux system running on a Linux kernel, we're able to configure the Linux kernel so when it's docked to the HDMI, it's natively running Ubuntu as a separate OS. So any of these applications will obviously run based on the Ubuntu desktop, and we've also got the full range of Android applications available to run as well.
Excellent, and this will have phone functionality while it's in desktop mode?
Exactly, yeah. So we've got a dialer capability set up, so it means that as because the phone operating system is running, it will receive and allow you to manage any incoming or outgoing call. This particular application is based on the stock Motorola application that came with the Atrix 2, but it's just a demonstration of the power of what can be achieved by looking at a truly convergent device. So it's a way in which we can establish a way in which we can allow full telephony services to be operating at the same time using this desktop UI. So for example, we can also use the indicator menu here, so we can send and receive new SMS messages. We've got full access to the photo gallery on the Android system. So this is a native application to the Ubuntu desktop I've just fired up here. It's got a very powerful desktop editor. It's showing all the photos that are currently available on the Android gallery application. I can use the desktop editor to change, alter, improve any of these images, and it'll save it straight back to the Android phone, which you can send on to friends and family as a picture message, etc.
Awesome. So sadly, we won't be able to be purchasing this anytime soon. We're going to wait for the OEMs to roll it out.
Yes, this is a prototype we've developed to show the power of what we can do, and it's designed for us to engage directly with OEMs. We feel OEMs are looking at particular ways in which they want to differentiate their high-end smartphones. But these smartphones are coming equipped with very, very high-powered capabilities such as dual quad-core, high memory footprints, and these are all standard things that will be perfectly suitable to run this particular solution. So it's something OEMs can integrate very, very quickly and easily. So we hope to be shipping with them later this year.
Perfect, thanks so much.
Okay, thank you.